how to update promotion on LinkedIn. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can update your promotion on LinkedIn. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Maybe you are working at a specific company for over a number of months or maybe a couple of years. Now you've received a promotion, you also want to update the title to your LinkedIn profile. Well, it's actually very simple to do that. You can either edit the existing promotion or you can simply choose to add a new promotion. Depending upon whatever you want to simply go over and then open up LinkedIn. Once you open up LinkedIn, tap the profile icon from the top left hand side to just come to your profile page. Then you'll find the option called view profile. Tap on view profile. Then here you'll be able to come to your profile page over here. You just need to scroll down to the bottom of the screen until you get to your experience section. So here you can see a couple of promotions that I have. Now, as I said earlier, I can either tap the plus icon to add a new promotion, or I can edit my current title instead by just tapping the edit icon on the right hand side of the screen, which is the pencil-like icon. Selecting the position or the title that I want to edit over here, then I just need to simply select the name of this title over here, and then all I need to do is if I want to notify my networks, I can just notify network, or if I don't want to notify anybody of my promotion, I'll just turn off that for this, and then just review some others such as the company name, the location, the start date and the end date, the industry, the description, and then just tap on save. And then after you've done that, your LinkedIn promotion will be successfully updated to your profile. And this is it for today's video on how you can actually go ahead and then update your promotion on LinkedIn. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.